Welcome to the Shaolin Kata Part 3. First, we will see the demonstration and then the explanation. Now, if you see this kata first time, then I will recommend you watch the first two parts before you see that. Otherwise, you cannot understand anything. Now it's time to learn the hidden techniques. Start from this one. This was a light attack. You can give a medium damage with this attack, but then your enemy will try to come close to you. Now snap attack with your push up and then perform a front kick. And now the headshot. After this attack, go backward and take a safe place and start swinging your boost up. Now it's time to go forward. Now suddenly change your attack direction to surprise your enemy and then perform a powerful attack. Move the boost up and hit in the growing level. Now this time perform a heavy attack on your opposite side. Take a safe place with this move. Now look at the standing position. Hands in the near of your chest and your leg will be in the blocking position. Now perform a devastating attack with jump. So this is it everyone. If you find this video useful, then make it 30 likes. If you do it, then I will show you the last and the final part of this kata.